Hi guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how you can deposit money from bank account to Binance. So first you need to open Binance and click on deposit. Here you can see different options. You simply need to click on bank deposit. So once this page will be open of the bank deposit, you need to wait for a few seconds here until the page will be loaded. Here you need to select currency. So you can select different currencies. So I am going to select USD, and here you need to currency is selected. Okay, and here you can see that deposit with recommended, and after that you need to add the amount and click on continue, and on the next step your amount will be deposited into the Binance. So this is the process how you can deposit money from bank account to Binance. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.